I'm Paxtyn. I'm from Aurora Middle School, and I'm going to be showing you how to do addition, subtraction, and multiplication with integers. Okay, so the yellow side equals 1 positive, and the red side equals 1 negative, and together they equal 0. So if you can pair them up, they don't count as anything. Okay, so our first problem is addition. So we have to lay out negative 8. So we put out 8 red. Okay, so that's 8, okay? And then you have to put on 12 positive. So and that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so then you want to pair them up to make the zeros to come up with your answer. Okay, so these are your pairs of 0 and they don't count as anything, and you come out with 4 positives, and that's your answer. Okay, so our next problem is subtraction, and we're doing 5 minus negative 4. So you want to have a couple pairs of zeros so you can have some negatives to take away. Again, yellow is positive, red is negative. So we have our 5 ones. Altogether, this equals 5, even though it looks like a lot of checks. We would take away 4 negatives, which are the red, so take these away. And you come out with 1 pair of 0, which doesn't change the answer, and positive 5 plus positive 4 equals positive 9. Okay, so our next problem is negative 5 times negative 2. So we put out our 5 groups, and altogether this equals 0. And you want to remember, always start with your paper or however you're doing it. Make sure it all equals 0. So you can, 2 negatives multiplied by each other is always going to equal positive. 2 positives multiplied by each other are always going to equal a positive, and a negative and a positive are always going to equal a negative. So we have our 5 groups. So if you word it right, it's take away with your negative 5 groups of negative 2. So you take away 5 groups of negative 2. So there's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, and 5 groups. And altogether, their yellow is positive, so you come out with positive 10. Thanks for watching.